did a hike actually the other day. The one next to Luhu Manu Falls. Nui Manu.
Kolohe! Wait for me!
No, hey! No, hey! Oh.
Ay, busog.
Go! Merry Christmas! Manapili Pasko!
Or we move. Hey, come here. Pull him here.
Just let go.
Ayan o, sexy. Ano yan? 2020 na? Mrs. Hawaii.
Oh, wala pa. Postponed.
Okay.
Hi, Kalohe! How are you? Oh, you're such a big boy.
What's up for the Kulohe?
Oh. Yeah, he doesn't have good manners.
Lilane!
See? Just got fast. Oh.
You're like wet. You want to know that, baby?
Tae.
Baho.
Nangutot ako.
Ay, naku.
I got it!
Look,
Really?
there you go.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this for the next 20 minutes. You guys can go up.
That's important. We all got denied.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Ang laki niya natin. Tangkad na
Well,
talaga.
I should probably stay here and make sure Connor stays safe.
Ah.
Keep a lookout.
Pagod na rin siya.
Okay, you stay.
You guys can hear it.
We're slow. Lucas, come on.
Baby, can you put this in your pocket?
Ting.
Wala naman
Oh
sa
my goodness.
Pagod na yung ayaw sa video niya. Ayaw nga sa
Yeah, ako, video lang. Kayo lang.
May bayad yan. May charge din ha?
Oo.
For yung capture ng face.
Oo.
Baka pag nag-offer si Bello dyan ng liposuction sa
Ano na, ayun na. O, tignan mo. Dead.
Oh my God, look at her. She's so big now.
Pagod na.
And pretty.
Chloe is so happy.
Yes.
He blends in, man. This is like his scene.
Look at this. Hala. Ang gubat. Ang
Chloe,
ang gubat sa Hawaii.
come on, boy.
Where's the mango?
Come on, Chloe.
Malapit na
Come here.
mag-mango
Good boy.
season.
Good boy.
Tapos na.
You wait. Yeah, pull me up. Pull me up. Good boy.
I can pull you up.
No, he's doing it just fine. Move.
Akala ko bacon. Ready? I feel like bacon. I was like,
Oh, that's a good thing.
there's a dry bacon.
Go, Chloe.
Later.